So I used the ProSensor X1100, the Pro sensor, for installing the garage racks, which you can see above me. Now overall, it did pretty well finding the joist up above. However, I did have some false positives that I don't know if it was because it wasn't completely perpendicular to the joist or whatever, but I screwed in or used the drill bit and definitely felt like it was on the edge of the joist. And I came back with the edge finder, stud finder, and found that it wasn't exactly in the middle. Came back and checked it again and changed it around to where that stud did show, and then it showed up on here. So I don't know what it was that was causing that. Had it happen like 2 times out of all the screws and lag bolts that I put in the ceiling, but overall it did really well. I would probably keep the other stud finder or the edge finder on hand as well, just to double check, but overall it did really good. I think on the ceiling it makes it a little bit harder, but on the wall it was really cool. So again, a little expensive, but something nice to have in your toolbox for sure. Besides having those little issues and just checking it again, overall really cool product. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.